Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I will show you how to completely uninstall game from Steam. First of all, we go to library and click on home, and here I want to uninstall one of my games. And to uninstall, we just need to right click and go to manage. And first of all, we go to the local file to find the local file of this game, and you can see here is the local file. And make sure after you uninstall from Steam, you delete this folder to make sure everything is clear. So now we come back first to the Steam, and we need to do is uninstall this game. Click to uninstall and click again uninstall. Okay, after you already uninstall this game, you can go to the folder games and you can delete this game folder. Now this game is completely uninstalled from your PC. You can also remove this game from your account if you want. So I hope this video is helpful, and see you in another video.